Welcome back to the Car Symptoms Guide, your trusted source for diagnosing car problems before they get worse. Have you ever felt your heart pound when your car suddenly stalled and wouldn't start? Or perhaps your headlights dimmed for no apparent reason? Chances are you're experiencing one of the common symptoms of a weakening car battery or even a damaged one. Your battery is the heart of your vehicle's electrical system. Understanding these early warning signs can save you from frustration, unexpected costs, and the risk of being stranded. In this video, we'll delve deep into the symptoms of a bad car battery. Let's get started so you can drive with peace of mind. Slow engine cranking. The first and most frequently noticed symptom is when your car's engine cranks slowly or heavily when you try to start it. It's no longer an instant vroom, but rather a hesitant sound before the engine finally catches or doesn't start at all. This is a strong indication that your car battery is no longer capable of providing sufficient electrical current to turn the starter motor at its normal speed. Why? Because its storage capacity has significantly decreased. If you hear this sound, immediately check the condition of your car's battery. Rapid clicking sound. Have you ever turned the ignition key or pressed the start button, only to hear a series of rapid click, click, sounds without the engine turning over at all? This is a very clear sign that your car battery is completely dead or extremely weak. This clicking sound comes from the starter solenoid attempting to draw power. But because the power supply from the battery is inadequate, it cannot fully engage the starter motor. This often indicates that the car battery can no longer supply the necessary current. Dimming lights. Pay close attention to your vehicle's lights. Are the headlights, interior lights, or dashboard lights appearing dim, especially when you try to start the car or use other electrical components like the AC or power windows? If so, this is a symptom of a weakening car battery. A compromised battery is unable to provide stable and consistent power to the entire electrical system, thus affecting light performance. This dying battery symptom is often overlooked, yet it can be an early warning. Other electrical issues. Beyond the lights, problems with your car battery can also impact other electrical components. If your power windows are moving very slowly, the door locks feel sluggish, or even your car radio frequently turns off or restarts itself. These could be signs that your car battery is on its last legs. This indicates that the battery is struggling to supply enough power to the entire system, including more sensitive electronic modules. Don't underestimate this. The performance of your car's entire electrical system depends on the health of your battery. Frequent jump starts. If you find yourself or your car frequently needing a jump start to get going, this is one of the clearest signs that your car battery can no longer hold a charge. A healthy car battery should be able to retain power for several days to weeks without needing a jump start. Frequent jump start requirements indicate an internal problem with the battery that prevents it from properly holding and releasing power. This is a definitive sign to replace your car battery immediately before it damages other components. Warning light on. One of the most direct indicators of a car battery problem is when the battery warning light on your dashboard illuminates, usually a battery icon. Sometimes the check engine light can also come on if there's an issue with the charging system related to the battery. Never ignore this light. It's your car's way of telling you there's a serious problem with the charging system or battery condition. This light is an important alarm to have an immediate inspection. Swollen or cracked battery case. Perform a visual inspection of your car battery. If you notice the battery casing is swollen, bulging, or even cracked, this is a sign of very serious battery damage. This swelling is typically caused by overheating or abnormal charging, which traps gases inside and puts pressure on the casing. This is a dangerous battery condition and should be replaced immediately. You might also observe excessive corrosion on the battery terminals around this area. Rotten egg smell. If you smell a rotten egg or sulfur-like odor near your car battery area, this is a symptom of a severely damaged car battery that should not be ignored. This odor comes from leaking hydrogen sulfide gas, a sign of overheating or internal damage to the battery. This rotten egg smell indicates that your battery is in very poor condition and potentially dangerous because these gases are flammable. Immediately turn off the engine and have your battery checked by a professional. Those are the critical symptoms of a failing car battery that you should pay attention to. Remember, the average car battery life is 3 to 5 years. If your battery is past this age and showing any of the signs above, consider replacing it before bigger problems arise. Don't wait until your car won't start or you experience a complete breakdown. If you experience any of these battery trouble signs, you should have your battery checked immediately by a nearby repair shop. They can help you determine whether the problem is with the battery, alternator, or another component in the charging system. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.